tonight, according to Mr. Tempest. He had his charts out a bit earlier this morning, but they said the storm surge is such that it already looked as though it was high tide, and of course
hurricane conditions are here
right now. Great broad sheets of it.
Time is 9:36.
Even as I began speaking to you a few minutes ago. So certainly, as we get a bird's eye view of the storm surge, that's going to be a the eye of the hurricane here. Broward County, warning. It's going to come on real hard, real fast here.
Yeah, look how high up.
Yeah, now.
Wow, look how it's peeling back. So it's 7 after 11. We're going down Houseball Road. We're heading out of Key West, sort of.
This is a real good view right here. The wire hanging down, trees in the road, the wind's still blowing.
It's a nice picture too.
Yeah, let's put that. We gotta hurry up. Woo!
Go ahead.
Good timing.
I need to get closer. Okay.
Let me get this one back in here. So shit, we gotta move. Hurry up, get it. Quick!
I got it.
Ship's flying. We're getting ready for the round 2 here. Alright. Time is 11:41 a.m. Pressure's 2893. And we're near the Higgs Memorial Park in Key West.
Morning, you're on the air. Hey.
From Marathon?
Yes.
Yeah.
I'd just like to know what's going on in Grassy Key, if anybody has any contact from Grassy Key.
Yes, we've heard from people at Grassy Key, and they're getting hit pretty hard. I can't tell you for sure.
Yes, Grassy Key's
but
further
there are trees down everywhere, lines down, all over.
Same winds remain about 105 miles an hour, gusts higher up to about 120 miles an hour. The automated reporting site on Severo Key, located about 35 miles east of Key West, had sustained hurricane force winds for over 3 hours.
Damn.
And this included a 2-minute wind of 94 miles an hour with a gust to 113 miles an hour.
Damn.
So you can compare.
Yeah. Really rock.
Guys, you're getting hammered here.
Oh yeah.
Serious damage. It's gonna wipe them out.
Yeah.
Got a barrel up here.
Oh yeah. Like that wire's going nuts. Smart. That's a phone line. The whole pole is shaking pretty good. There you go. Come on. Little more, little more. Whoa. This is really cooking now.